To measure links to your website, you want to see how you're doing. This is something I totally advocate. I use this tool called ahrefs.com. It's ahrefs.com, and it's $50 a month, and it's just the best tool that I've seen in this. They will filter out all the links that are, spammy. Not always, but they're pretty good at it, and they'll just show you the total number of links pointing back to your website. And you can just look through them and see how it was linked, was it an image, what the text of the link may have been. So you get a little bit more credit if the text of your link has a keyword in it. But I don't even like to talk about that, because if you do that too much, then Google will penalize you. It used to be, so I got my kid's website to the top of Google for the keyword games. It has like 100 million searches a month. It's my best SEO accomplishment to date. To do that, I just got thousands of links back to my website that said games. You click on the link and the link said games. That still works, except Google will catch you in an instant if you do it. So if you're grandfathered in, it would be fine. But you could not just, arrange 100 different links that say your keyword in them. But it is a little bit better if you do have a text-based link rather than an image link. So anyway, that's Ahrefs. You can also use the Google Webmaster Tools panel. Has anyone here ever used that before? Webmaster Tools panel? You should probably write that down, because it is where Google communicates with you and tells you the health of your site. And they actually tell you the links pointing back to your site too, and it's fairly accurate. It's not as good as Ahrefs, but Google Webmaster Tools is also a good resource for measuring links back to your site, and it's a free one.